Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan gravy. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of good quality vegetable broth, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of a healthy fat like olive oil or vegan butter. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. We're aiming for a rich, flavorful gravy that complements any meal beautifully. This simple approach ensures delicious results every time. Now, let's create the foundation of our gravy, the roux. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of vegan butter or olive oil over medium heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture forms a smooth, light golden paste. This step is crucial for thickening the gravy and developing a nutty flavor that enhances the overall taste. With our roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Gradually pour in 2 cups of vegetable broth, whisking continuously to ensure there are no lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring constantly. You'll notice it begin to thicken beautifully within a few minutes. Now, season your gravy with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any desired herbs like a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme or sage for extra depth. Finally, let's perfect our vegan gravy. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Perhaps a little more salt or pepper, or a dash of nutritional yeast for a cheesy umami flavor. If your gravy is too thick, simply whisk in a tablespoon or 2 of extra broth. If it's too thin, let it simmer for a few more minutes. Serve your warm, rich, and savory vegan gravy over your favorite dishes, like mashed potatoes or roasted vegetables. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.